Hello students of Standard 4th. Welcome you all to DAV Moil Public School e-learning class. I am your English teacher Renuka Seshyawar. So let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we are going to learn a lesson that is Fantasy Land. This chapter is taken from your English reader. Dear students, do you know what is the meaning of fantasy? Yes, it means imagination. So let's start. Dear students, look at here. Have you seen this picture? Yes. What are these? These are many cartoon characters like Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, Lion, Aladdin, Cinderella's Princess. Mickey Mouse and Donald Ducks are both Disney characters. So today we will visit the fantasy land of Disney characters. Tell me, do you know of some other cartoon characters like Aladdin, Jungle Book, Mowgli, Mickey Mouse? Let us visit the fantasy land of Paris. Now look at here. Observe carefully the Par Guide to Disneyland, Paris. Now study the fantasy land in the map carefully and read descriptions about its different parts. This is the map of Disneyland Paris and it has many parts. Let us see. C1. What is in C1? Sleeping Beauty's castle. What is in it? Shows old style, tapestries and stained glass windows. Relates the story of Sleeping Beauty. Next is C2. Theatre. Enjoy the shows based on Disneyland characters Winnie the Pooh and Friends too. A great entertainment for children. Next is C3, that is puppet show. And what is it? Follow another fantasy land character Pinocchio as puppet. Watch it turning into little boy at the end of an adventure. The next is C4. Enjoy a ride. What is in it? A ride worthy of King Arthur and his knights. And the next one is C9. A peaceful cruise through miniature scenes from fairy tales. And the C10 is a charming trip on board Dumbo's Merry Train, not recommended for children under 1 year. Next is C5. What is in it C5? Peter Pan's flight. Meet Peter Pan and his friends in a magical voyage to Never Never Land. Next is C6. Jumbo the Flying Elephant. Fly over Fantasyland together with the famous baby elephant, but it is also not recommended for children under 1 year. The next is C7. Mad Hatter's Teacups. Celebrate your visit to Fantasyland with the Mad Hatter from Alice in Wonderland. The next is C8. It's a Small World. Presented by France Telecom, a musical program. Meet children from all over the world in the midst of music and laughter. C10 already we have seen. C11. Alice Maze. A maze of haze leading to the castle of Alice in Wonderlands, Queen of Hearts. Number C12. Fantasy Festival Stage. Check the entertainment program for schedulers available at City Hall. And the last one is C13. Disney Railroad Fantasyland Station. presented by McDonald's Ride to Discoveryland, Main Street, USA, and Frontierland on board a steam train. These are the parts of this Disney Fantasyland of Disney characters, and these are feature of this Disneyland. Now, this is your assignment time. Let us see what is in your assignment. Now, let us see. These are the question answers. Now, answer the following questions. There are 5 questions. You have to be write answers of these questions on based of this map which is given in this lesson. See the first question. How many parts is the Fantasyland divided into? So, what is the correct answer of this question? The Fantasyland is divided into 13 parts, and that is C 13. From C1 to C13. In this way, you will write all answers of these questions, and this assignment you will complete in your notebook. Dear students, here we end this lesson. We will see you in our next session with new lesson and new topic. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.